I'm pretty sure that most of you have seen the graphic here. This is the IEC 61300 3.35 characterization of an end face, where you have a core, cladding, sometimes an adhesive zone is included, and then your contact zone. Other standards bodies, IEEE, TIA, SAE, all use the same characterization. So there is primary and secondary contamination, or at least the potential, on all fiber optic connector surfaces. As well, this contamination may extend to high-speed copper. In some industry segments, there's actually the belief that one fiber optic transmission is more important than the other. The reality is that the transmission fiber, the core, it doesn't care what's the connector type. All of these connections are mission critical. What the standards don't consider, what isn't addressed, are the adapter shells and the alignment sleeves. These sectors of the connector are best cleaned with precision swab tools. As you see in the overview, a probe tool simply doesn't have the dimensions, the width, to clean the alignment sleeve. So, my name's Ed Forrest, and I'm not sure that anybody has researched as deeply the different types of connectors, the different means to inspect and clean. In 2016, I developed a digital photography microscope that's been patented. And what this does is divulge other sectors of the connector, areas beyond the 250 to 300 microns that are typically researched or considered with auto-detect inspection. It's not that these areas always need to be cleaned. My research, my work, and my training is about awareness. Coming in 2020 will be 2 new toolboxes. You know what a toolbox is. It has all kinds of things in it. Tools that you may not use all of the time. And that's what's in best of breed. We all know that cleaning the end face is important. But with best of breed toolboxes, you'll be able to understand when to use a probe and when to use a swab. These toolboxes feature the solvent transfer method. This is a process that I created 2004, 2005 that had major approval with all MSO and CATV and RBOC and independent telcos. It's not wet to dry cleaning. It's a unique procedure that's included with both toolboxes and detailed instructions and training.